I'm just going to do a quick video showing you my room on Symphony of the Sea. This is the boardwalk balcony room. And this is the door. This is the back of the door. I'm inside the room. This is the back of the door. This is what you see. So I'm just going to turn around real quick. And when you turn around, this is what you're looking at. This is the bed. Right here. And when you walk forward to my left, you do have a bathroom right here. This is the bathroom. And I'm just going to open the bathroom door and turn the light on. You have a light switch here. You have the thermostat when you can control the temperature of the room. You have the shower, the toilet, and this is what it looks like. And right here you do have a closet. I'm just gonna open it real quick. You can lock your personal items. And the bed, if you want to have two separate, they can separate the beds to be two twin. On the other side, you do have another closet here to hang your dresses for the formal night. And then you turn around here, you have a desk. The TV is right here, right in front of the bed. The couch, it is a pull-out bed for the couch. You can come over here. It is a refrigerator underneath here. And for some reason, they gave me 3 drink bottles. I don't know why. It didn't come with a tumbler, so I do need to go to customer service and ask why didn't I get the tumblers. That's how you get your soft drinks, because there's a special sensor underneath the tumblers that the soda comes out. And when you open your balcony doors, this is the boardwalk balcony. This is the slide. This is the aqua there. This is the pool. And we have other cabins, so I will do a video of the inside cabin for you a little bit later. Okay, bye bye guys.